সবাইকে শুভেচ্ছা। Hi, my name is Asif Iqbal. I am from Bangladesh and I am a faculty member in the Mechanical Materials and Manufacturing Engineering at UNNC. I am the module convener of Mechanics of Solids course and I'm going to tell you something about me and my life at UNNC. I graduated from Bangladesh and I did my PhD in Japan. After that, I worked as a professor in Japan and Malaysia before coming to UNNC. The best thing about working at UNNC is that I can find the best professionals and highly expert people from all over the world. You will have a great chance to interact with exceptional academics who have plenty of knowledge and experience in their field. They will help you bring your dream to a success. Ningbo City is a fantastic place to live. You will find delicious food, green parks and beautiful lakes all over the city. It's a perfect mix of modernization and heritage. University life is the best time of one's life. You will cherish all your ideas, experiences and memories of this university time throughout your life. I'm sure that you will love our mechanical engineering course and we very much look forward to meeting you and watching you grow to be a brilliant mechanical engineer in the future and enlighten society.